Mount Etna has once again proven itself to be more than just a majestic landmark on the island of Sicily. On August 8 and 9, 2026, one of the world's most active volcanoes entered a phase of significantly heightened eruptive activity, spewing lava, ash, and volcanic material from the Voragine crater. The skies surrounding the mountain turned shades of red and orange as an eruption column soared high into the air and volcanic ash was carried by the wind. For the people of Sicily, the sights and sounds of Etna's activity are nothing new. However, this time, the surge in activity was intense enough to disrupt daily life and force authorities to take action regarding air travel. Catania International Airport, the main gateway to eastern Sicily, was among the facilities affected. The Etna Observatory of Italy's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, recorded lava activity at the Voragine crater, accompanied by an eruption cloud drifting southeast. Simultaneously, the amplitude of volcanic tremors spiked sharply, a clear sign that the magma system beneath the mountain was undergoing significant changes. Etna then entered a phase known as a paroxysm, a period of sudden and extremely intense eruptive activity. Strombolian activity at Voragine escalated into much more powerful lava fountaining. Amidst the darkness of night, Etna's summit appeared to transform into a giant furnace. Glowing lava spewed from the crater while volcanic material was hurled into the air. From a distance, the spectacle was stunning. Yet, beneath that glowing red light lay far more serious threats. Extreme heat, incandescent rocks, volcanic gases, and ash capable of traveling vast distances on the wind. Etna has long been known as an active volcano. It almost never truly sleeps, remains dormant. Research by INGV indicates that activity at the summit crater can shift rapidly, escalating into ash columns, pyroclastic ejections, or even more hazardous phenomena, leaving little time to react. On Saturday, August 8, volcanic ash released into the atmosphere began causing serious issues for aviation. Volcanic ash differs from ordinary dust. Its particles can contain hard, abrasive material that is hazardous to aircraft engines. If ingested in high concentrations, the ash can disrupt engine systems and pose serious risks. This is why ash clouds from Mount Etna can render airspace, which might appear safe from the ground, dangerous for aircraft. Catania Airport is a vital air transport hub in Sicily, serving over 12 million passengers in 2024. When Etna's activity intensifies, airport disruptions can quickly impact flight schedules and transport networks across the region. In other words, a mountain on land can affect the travel plans of thousands of people, even those located tens of kilometers away from the eruption site. There is something truly terrifying about a volcanic eruption. Humans can see the disaster approaching, yet are powerless to stop it. Around Etna, the rumbling from the summit serves as a reminder of the magma system constantly shifting deep beneath the surface. As pressure and gas levels within the volcanic system fluctuate, the mountain can react with sudden, explosive force. At night, the glow of lava makes Etna's summit appear as if it is burning from within. Ash billows into the atmosphere and is carried by the wind. For those on the ground, the sky normally dark can transform into a fiery red spectacle reminiscent of a disaster movie scene. One of the most concerning aspects of Etna is its unpredictability. volcanic activity may subside, only to ramp up again later. Even when lava flows cease, gases, ash, falling debris, and changes in seismic activity remain the focus of close monitoring by scientists. Previous INGV reports have also emphasized that Etna's status as a frequently active volcano means the risk level never truly drops to zero. Changes in monitored parameters can trigger shifts in activity that may escalate rapidly. That is why any changes related to earthquakes, volcanic tremors, gas emissions, or crater activity at